All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're running a purely visual, data-driven audit on a brand new tool called BonusStack AI. We are completely stripping away the marketing hype, and we're looking directly at the software, the workflow, and the actual cold, hard numbers. We want to see if this thing actually solves one of the absolute biggest conversion killers in affiliate marketing.
We've got a packed agenda today. We're covering the naked link problem, the science of bonuses, taking a look inside BonusStack AI, walking through their 6-step workflow, breaking down pricing and caveats, and then finally giving you our final verdict. So let's move fast. Kicking things off with Section 1, the naked link problem, and exactly why generic promotions fail.
I want you to really think about this for a sec. When dozens or honestly even hundreds of affiliates are funneling buyers to the exact same sales page, why on earth should a buyer choose your link over somebody else's, right? If all you're doing is just dropping a bare, naked link in an email or a description, you're essentially just asking the buyer to do you a massive favor, rather than giving them a genuine, compelling reason to buy through you. The contrast between the two just brilliantly highlights the issue. Look, on one side, a naked link offers absolutely zero unique value. It's so easily ignored. But on the other side, a custom bonus stack, something that is completely uniquely yours, gives buyers a tangible, undeniable reason to pull the trigger with you. Now the catch? Creating those custom stacks is incredibly time-consuming. It's a huge pain, which is exactly why most people just skip it altogether.
Moving on to Section 2, the science of bonuses. This is proof that relevance actually drives revenue.
Now, what's really fascinating here is that the creators of BonusStack AI actually back up their claims with real peer-reviewed science, rather than just the usual inflated marketing hype. Check out these numbers. They're from a published field experiment in Frontiers in Psychology, and they prove that highly relevant or congruent bonuses convert at nearly 12%. Compare that to under 9% for incongruent random rewards. So to put it simply, just slapping a giant folder of totally unrelated private label rights content onto an offer, yeah, that just doesn't work anymore. Your bonuses absolutely have to help the buyer use the main product.
Which brings us to Section 3, inside BonusStack AI. It's a browser-based solution completely without the massive API bills. So one major game changer for this tool, especially when you compare it to those one-shot AI generators out there, is what they call the bonus vault. See, this isn't just a generate and forget kind of tool. The vault basically acts as your own private, reusable library right inside your browser. Say you make a killer checklist or a great swipe file for promotion today. You just save it right here. Over time, this creates a massive compounding effect for active affiliates. You can literally just drop your best previously made bonuses into brand new campaigns, which vastly speeds up the whole workflow.
All right, Section 4, the 6-step workflow, taking you from a totally blank screen straight to a finished zip file.
The software's workflow is strictly structured into these 6 super linear steps. We're going to walk through exactly how this takes you from a completely blank page to fully branded PDFs, claim pages, delivery pages, and even your promo copy, all in one quick session. Right out of the gate, in Step 1, you just start by filling out a really simple brief. You punch in the product name, your specific affiliate link, your niche, the target audience, and exactly how many bonuses you want the system to build for you. It's super clean, highly intuitive, and it gives the system the precise context it needs to ensure that scientific congruence we just talked about. Then we hit Step 2. Now, instead of dinging you with an ongoing monthly fee for AI usage, BonusStack just generates this incredibly strict, highly detailed prompt block. You literally just click to copy it and then paste that whole shebang right into your own existing AI account, whether you're using ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Honestly, it's a brilliant way to completely sidestep those expensive, creeping API bills. Once your AI of choice spits out its answer, you move right into Step 3. You just take that raw JSON response and paste it right back into BonusStack. Boom. The software immediately validates the structure, and get this, if the AI hallucinated or kind of messed up the coding, BonusStack actually generates a repair prompt to fix that malformed code automatically. No coding degree required. Now, Step 4 is where you regain total human control. You are absolutely not stuck with whatever raw output the AI gave you. You get this full content editor, so you can easily refine your headlines, tweak the individual bonus content, adjust those perceived values, and really polish up the provided email swipes and social media posts before a single thing goes live. Moving into step 5, you can effortlessly toggle between desktop and mobile views. This is great because it lets you preview the fully branded, super clean claim pages and private delivery pages that the software literally just built for you in the background. We're talking no clunky WordPress plugins, no overly complex page builders. It just generates the clean HTML right there on the spot.
And finally, step 6. Before you export anything, there's a built-in quality review that acts as a really nice safety net. It automatically flags issues, like shallow bonuses that are way too short, missing links, or leftover placeholder text. Once you get the green light, you just click Download Zip Package, and just like that, you get a single, ready-to-go file containing all your PDFs, all your web pages, and all your promo text.
All right, on to section 5, pricing, costs, and caveats. Let's do a quick transparency check.
Let's just look at the really stark contrast in these approaches here. Look, doing this all manually, sure, it costs $0, but it's going to eat up days of your time per campaign. Hiring a freelancer, that could easily run you hundreds of dollars and take a full week to get back. But with BonusStack AI, it's a one-time $27 and you're finishing the whole stack in the exact same sitting. The value proposition here is just incredibly tangible. Furthermore, independent auditors actually went in and checked the live Warrior Plus dashboard for this launch, and they confirmed that this funnel is completely 100% transparent. The front-end price is $27, with a handful of completely optional upgrades that range from $17 to $97. The stated prices match the vendor's claims dollar for dollar, which, let's be real, is a massive green flag for trust in this particular industry. I do need to issue a massive name collision warning right now, though. You need to be absolutely sure you are looking at BonusStack AI by Andy Brocklehurst. There is a completely unrelated product out there from a totally different vendor called Bonus Builder AI. Please do not confuse the two. They are completely different tools altogether. It's also really vital to understand exactly what your licensing is here. This $27 investment grants you a software tool license. Basically, that means you have the right to create, brand, and export your own bonus packages. What it does not do is provide private label rights. You absolutely cannot resell the actual BonusStack software to other people. You're simply buying a very powerful tool to use inside your own affiliate business. Bringing us to section 6, the final verdict. So, is it actually worth the investment? All right, based on the transparent citations we've seen and a solid 30-day refund policy, here's the honest breakdown. You should probably buy it if you're an active affiliate who promotes stuff regularly, you want to build highly relevant bonuses way faster, and you already use an AI account like ChatGPT. But you should definitely skip it if you're holding out for some magical push-button income system, because newsflash, those just don't exist. Or if you simply refuse to use AI to generate your initial content. For those of you who are just sick and tired of sending out bare, lazy links, this is a highly practical workflow. So, I'll leave you with this provocative thought. Based on the hard data and the science we've explored today, what is it actually costing you right now in lost commissions to keep promoting with naked links that look exactly like everyone else's? Think about it. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me